Hello everyone, you're watching the Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy F62 and M62 USB device connection problem and connected USB device isn't support or USB connected disconnected problem. So before starting video, if you're new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe. Let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix these issues, first of all you just need to click on settings and now follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.